This is a Topcon moisture sensor installation. We've selected this location given how the grain will flow in this cart. There'll be always the cone that the grain flows down, and we want to get that centered in that cone so that we get maximum flow past the sensor. It's also why the sensor is mounted underneath the grate to maximize the amount of grain that will flow past it. We don't want it above because that will give us another few inches of grain travel. So this mounting bracket comes already pre-assembled. It's secured on with 4 hose clamps, front and back, so that it can't move side to side. And then the cable is secured every 2 grate lengths all the way down, and then routed up the side.